Yo! What just happened just now?
But yeah. We're going to Cancun.
I'm reading my email while I'm driving, which is stupid. I don't know. Someone was telling me look at my email. Girl, I look at my email and see time sensitive, curvy, curly conscious. Do you want to go? Do I want to go? Hell yeah, I want to go. I moved some stuff around, made some stuff shake, and got my ticket immediately. The next day, I got my ticket. The next day. And then I was just like, yo, that's crazy, because I didn't think that it was happening. And I set up a trip for next week, so next week I'm going to Vegas. I set up that trip already, and that was already set in stone. Like, boom, I'm going there. That's my vacation for the summer. That's all I'm going to do. Me and my mom just going to vibe out. No, the gag is, no, girl, you're going to Cancun. I'm glad you got your passport.
I want y'all to vibe to this one right here. Ocean. Listen up. So, I am going on a walk right now, getting my thoughts together for this trip and upcoming events that I have going on, and just a lot. But I'm thankful because it's all coming together. If you haven't read my blog post, I posted it, and basically it was discussing what's been going on lately in my life, because it's freaking crazy. And I know I'm not the only one who's been through this, and I'm not the only one that's going to go through this, so that's why I'm sharing this, because it might help you, give you a couple keys, like, she did this, maybe I'ma not do that. Okay, Mom, we out here, about to go. You gonna miss me? A little bit. Y'all, this is crazy. I can't, this elevator is fire at the job, y'all, but we about to be out. I made it to Cancun, but it was a struggle to get here. And the nerve, I get in at like 4:30. My roommate was asleep, but she woke up and kicked it with me for an extra like 2 or 3 hours after I got here. So like, I don't know how I'm up right now. So I know y'all see all this dope stuff I got laid out on the bed. Well, Sheila and her team did a great job at putting stuff. Adaya, I know you hear me making a video crazy. Okay, back to y'all. So I'll leave in the description. Yo, I cannot do nothing with her around. She geeks me, y'all. I'm gonna leave in the description box all this stuff, okay? All right, let's get back to the video. It's time to be in Cancun and be free and be me. Yeah, Unruly, of course. I put a cute outfit on and everything,
You know, to go down for the workshops and all that, but I missed it because I was late and tired. But we're at the pool, and I went to the bar and got a little drink after they plopped 2 shots in front of me at the restaurant we were at. So me and my roommate are just sitting here minding our business, eating our food. We almost done, about to leave. And this dude brings shots, just set them on the table and walk away. Ain't say nothing. So now, me and my roommate, which I love her by the way, she's dope. We're about to just vibe out in the pool until the next workshop. So I'm grabbing our stuff and moving it closer to where we are, so boom.
Well, first of all, the word Koya means queen. And really, the class is all about getting out of your head and getting into your heart and your body, right?
The workshop today was dope on letting go. We worked on forgiveness. And that's something that I hold near and dear to my heart because there's a lot of stuff I got pent up in here that I need to work on. So, back to loving me.
Such a pride on me. I ain't did shit yet, but the house on me, baby, let's date. I got niggas tryna ride on me, so I'm holding this check. Lame ass niggas upset, so these bitches, they can't hide from me. I'm praying that my bitch lie for me. Got the Rari outside for me, watch that bitch lie for me. Tell them come see, you ain't met a nigga like me. Picture me holding you. And sometimes I can't lie, girl, I'm tryna get over you. And I never let a nigga talk down to my overdue. For the bullshit, baby, I'm tryna get close to you. Telling you the truth, I ain't telling you what's wrong.
Y'all, I almost forgot. This is my roommate, Leah. She's amazing. As you can tell from the chemistry we had from jump, we lit. That's my girl. We have so many other link ups because of this retreat. Like, you just lit. So let's get into this place I was staying at. The resort was amazing. Sheila and her team chose a great place to host us. The food was also bomb.com. Y'all see guacamole. I love me some guacamole. They had buffets open 24/7. They had fancy restaurants if you wanted to get dressed and be all classy. They had tequila everywhere. It was just a really great experience. So being in a new environment was interesting, as you can see. But also being around women who are like-minded and wanted to grow mentally, spiritually, and emotionally as well was one of my favorite parts of the retreat. Like, everyone around me had goals for themselves. They had things that they wanted to accomplish, and it just built lifelong sisterhood. Like, for real, I can call any girl from that retreat and get some encouragement real quick, you feel me? So it was amazing.
Someone drew my picture, and you know what? People are so talented, you never know who you talking to, okay? Because this picture is marvelous. It's beautiful. But yeah, so I woke up this morning and I'm actually making yoga. Another thing that happened last night, my phone was crazy. It's not letting me record anything. But I also signed the lease to my new apartment that I'm getting with my fam bam. So I'm really excited. Getting the space to create. That's what I feel most thankful about. So when I leave this trip, I'm going home. And I can actually say I'm going home to a place called my home. You feel me? Like, my mail goes somewhere. Yeah. You're crying now, so I might as well just get you. So what is this experience for you, and how do you feel?
It's been the most amazing experience, full of so much love from everybody I've ever seen. And everybody is just so compassionate and empathetic towards each other and so caring.
Facts.
And I want everybody to experience this.
What you got to say? You gonna tell Sheila thank you? Say thank you.
Thank